Hi guys, I'm your Nutrista, Melissa, and today we are celebrating summer with our summer drink series, and we're gonna be starting out with a peach lemonade. And we're gonna be starting out with a frozen peach lemonade, which is one of my absolute favorites. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to make it today in the Nutr machine. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make. We're gonna start with 1 cup of frozen peaches. So 1 cup frozen peaches. All right, then we're gonna do half a cup of water. So it's so simple, you guys. It's one of the best summer drinks. Then we're gonna do 1 cup lemon juice. 1 cup lemon juice. I feel like that just sounds so refreshing for summer, like a peach lemonade. All right, 1 cup. All right, then we're gonna do 1/4 cup honey. Again, honey is a great alternative to sugar. It's a much healthier alternative. Okay, put that in there. Yeah. All right, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make. You can make all your yummy summer drinks in the Nutr machine. All right, and then you're gonna blend it on room temperature. I'm gonna blend it on room temperature. All right, and it's ready, 5 minutes. We have our frozen peach lemonade. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Perfect summer refresher. All right, then I'm gonna just top it off with some mint. Put that in there. All right, cheers. Oh my God, that is so good. Literally my new favorite summer drink. Highly recommend making the frozen peach lemonade. Guys, next time we're gonna be doing another summer drink for our summer series. So this was our frozen peach lemonade.